Hello student, good afternoon. Today we will start the new life cycle, that is sheep scab mite. Sauroptis equivovis hearing. This is the ectoparasite of sheep. This is called as parasite is mite. Ticks and mite, that is the ectoparasite of any vertebrate animals. This is the sheep scab mite. Classification of this phylum Arthropoda, class Arachnida, order Acarina, family Sarcoptidae, genus Sauropterus. This mite attacks sheep and others cattle, particularly goats and horses. It is cosmopolitan in distribution. It is cosmopolitan, means found in all over the world. जगाच्या पाठीवर कुठेही सापडते. It causes scabies. This mite is causing scabies, which is one of the serious diseases of sheep. It feeds on the surface of the skin. It feeds on the surface of the skin like the Mangemite, the eggs, young ones, as well as the adults swarm together with the scab from an infested animals. The adult scab mite is 1 by 100 centimeter in diameter. 1 by 100 centimeter in diameter and grayish in color. The mouth parts are sharp and of biting and sucking type. Life history: the females lays 1 to 2 dozen eggs. The females lays 1 to 2 dozen eggs in small clusters at the base of the hair. The eggs after 2 to 10 days. Laying are hatched into 6-legged nymphs, which develop an additional pairs of legs after 1 to 2 weeks time. The nymphs grow into adults. The female adult may survive for 1 month and deposits 100 eggs. The female adult may survive for 1 month and deposits 100 eggs. In the infected sheep, the scabies is identified by tagging. And rubbing of the body by animals. The mite punctures the skin of the sheep. With its mouth parts. Just after punctures, the blood starts flowing over the skin, hardens and forms a scab containing mites beneath it. Prevention and controls. The dipping of individuals for 2 minutes in lime sulfur at a dilution. Prevention and controls. The dipping of individuals for 2 minutes in lime sulfur, 2 minutes in lime sulfur at a dilution of 1 part to 15 parts, 1 parts to 15 parts of water is most effective to eradicate the mites, At least 2 dippings are necessary. In case of heavy infestation, after 10 to 14 days, intervals, the dipping of infested sheep in nicotine, linden and toxaphene is also effective. Next life cycle, Mangemite, Sarcopates scabies, D. Mangemite. Classification of this: phylum Arthropoda, class Arachnida, order Acarina, family Sarcoptidae, genus Sarcoptus. The Mangemite infects man. Horses, goats, buffaloes, and sheep. A number of varieties have evolved which are confined to the specific host. Yes, hominis on man. Yes, equi on horses. Sarcoptes equi, Sarcoptes hominis on horses, donkeys and mules. Sarcoptes capri on goats and horses, and Sarcoptes dromedary on camels. This is the different types of species of Sarcoptes, and they have different types of host and causing that particular host, and live on the body surface of also that is particular host. The females mites are about 1 by 150 centimeter in diameter, whereas males are half the size of females. 4 pairs of short, stubby legs are found, of which the third pairs in the male and third and fourth pairs in the female, and in the form of bristles which are as long as the body. The skin is pale colored and striated. The eyes and tracheae are absent. Just after the mating, the females digs the skin of the host and forms tunnels of 2.5 centimeter length and a diameter of about 1 by 125 centimeters. Life history. The females after the mating enters the galleries made in the skin and lays about 24 eggs. Six-legged larva hatches out from the egg and is gradually changed into eight-legged nymphal stage, which feeds inside the galleries and attain the adult stage, which can survive for about 10 days and may infest new host on contact. The burrowing, especially the feeds of mites, causes extreme itching, which is the main symptoms of the disease. The tendrils are parallel to the skin surface and can be observed as delicate gray thread lines beneath the skin between the fingers and toes on the external genitalia, behind the knees, and in the prolonged cases all over the body except the head. Prevention and control of this Sarcoptes scabi. The body of the infected animals should be treated with the dilute mixture 1 part to 5 parts water of benzoate 68 parts, DDT 6 parts, and benzocaine ethyl p-amino benzoate 12 parts, and scorbiton monoleate polyxyalkyl derivatives 14 parts. The mixture must not be used on the head region. The treatment with 1% linden or 10% sulfur ointment is also effective. This is the life cycle of Sarcoptes scabi. And first is the scabi mite and Sarcoptes scabi. Okay, thank you.